buttercups.
We've got one shot. Let's make it count.
Over here!
Hi, I'm the Prodigal Fish.
And I'm Chef Ohan.
And we're playing Back4Blood, the beta.
Back4Blood.
Let's see what we got here. Hollow point ammo. I mean, I guess.
Could come in handy.
I'm gonna grab this pipe bomb and make sure I have my prescribed drugs.
Who needs drugs?
Apparently that guy. Alright. Dude, look at that safety latch. I don't look very, like...
That thing's thick.
I don't know, that doesn't look like a very, I'm gonna keep the ridden out.
No.
Hey, big boy, big boy.
Probably keep, like, something closed, but that's about it.
Need to reload.
That reload, though. It's good to know suburbs America survived. There's still hope.
Oh, yeah.
Look at how many people are here.
So
many. Just think about it.
All the neighbors turned into the ridden.
But that's what I'm wondering. Do you know how many people probably died in this suburbs?
Probably about 5.
About 500 maybe?
Yeah. No, just 5.
Just 5. The rest of these guys were from out of town.
Yeah, exactly.
Bunch of Jehovah's Witnesses just came to proselytize that day, by chance.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Just so happened that, like, you know, they were on a mission.
Makes sense. So one cool thing I will give this game, besides being biased, because I mean, if you like Left4Dead, you want this game to be good, is the gunplay works pretty well.
Yeah, the gunplay is good.
My only complaint is the auto-aim.
Yeah, I would say that the pistols could be a little bit better because they feel a little bit, I don't know, like light.
Sincere apology.
Yeah, that's fair.
Like, I was testing the revolver in the firing range and it felt just, well, it didn't really feel like a revolver. It wasn't bold and brash.
I don't think that the guns in Left4Dead had stats on them. I don't like how some attachments make the gun stronger or weaker, but I do like the attachments. But I feel like it kind of takes away the air quote even playing field.
Yeah, I would agree with that. It's much more RNG-ish now.
That lady just shot herself on the radio. That's horrible. She said, "The whole town's dead."
Oh,
Pop.
what the fuck is that?
Clearly, it's the local social media.
Yeah, it's the local influencer.
like, did you get your vaccine? They're gonna use their teeth. Ah, wrong one.
Looking for me? Because I ain't.
All right, off we go. The glowy eyes just add a certain satanic element to it. Good God.
Yeah. I wonder if the devil's gonna show up at some point.
We are literally looking at them.
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm glad you got him. I wasn't sure his pistol's gonna do it.
I'm liking the RPK.
But
This might just be more of an issue overall, but aiming down sights in general feels pretty slow.
with that one, it does. That's why I stopped using it.
Okay,
I like the saw though.
Oh,
Back to back.
I didn't even know
Back to back.
there were birds there. Alright, I got this way.
Okay.
I don't even know where they're... There we go, okay.
I got rear. Are you winning, son?
No. I'm actually doing fine.
Alright, we're doing good from the rear.
Not that bad.
Clear with the question mark? Look, Mom, I'm flying!
Not bad, actually.
No, not at all.
Oh, ow, ow. I just fell a
Did
lot.
somebody goof up?
Yeah.
Somebody didn't stretch before jumping, I see.
Nope. I have arthritis.
Something like that. You see how much easier this is without Aztec? Like, I'm actually enjoying looking around.
This is pretty nice. Oh, stop walking in front of me, you bot.
It's like, shut up, bot. Guy turns out it's like the what's his name, Margaret Freeman's voice. I have no bot.
What's that?
Well, I thought it was good. Screw you.
It was good.
Thank you.
I was just focused on shooting the zombies in the head. Also, I think the hordes could be a little bit hordier.
A little bit horror.
Or like a little bit harder. They just feel a little bit small. Maybe that's just like right now on like this level, but just
It'll make my millennium.
when we have activated the hordes, they don't actually feel like that.
I know what you mean. I understand.
But I cannot wait for this game to fully come out so that way I can try it. Everything.
Alright, I do like precision firing, but ironically, but I won't use a sniper rifle because I won't eat my own kids for survival.
Yep.
Crackers here.
What side are you on?
My own side.
Exactly.
Alright, what do we got up here?
Well,
All right.
it's not going to just drop from the sky.
I feel like that was a hint.
Ooh, a desert eagle. Oh my god. I mean, that bread is much better, but this desert eagle is cool.
Alright, you ready to meet God?
Yes.
Alright, left or right?
Middle.
Very well.
I think my new favorite gun in the game is the Desert Eagle.
It actually feels like a pistol.
Yeah, it is the pistol.
Oh, they coming.
It just like
Loader.
one hits everything.
You know what? Let's talk about our feelings. Out you go. Go follow it.
Oh,
You little turd sitting up there thinking you're better than me. Big guy. Ah!
where?
Should check the room. I think I'm covered in them, literally. Ugh. Like college all over again. Ugh.
That's nasty.
I don't like that the AK only has 20 rounds. Like, what is this? Like, California Compliant magazine? No, wait, they would only have like 10, wouldn't they? Or 5.
What is this, Mother Russia?
No, if it was Mother Russia, there'd be like drums on this thing. There'd be like
Yeah, that is
Heinz and a
very true.
Heinz and like what do you call it? The Russian version of the Apache, just delivering gun support. Every single one of us have access to a full plethora of nukes.
What is this, North Korea?
What's in there?
I feel like, no, I feel like Korea would send like waves and waves and waves of peasant infantry with like pitchforks. Go defeat the Ridden. You know I'm right.
Yeah.
Just send wave
They
these
would.
poor people. Like you will fight for your homeland. Here you go.
Ammo cache over
Ammo,
here.
sir. For the Ridden. I mean, I like that they're wearing modernist like clothing. I mean, you can see what brands they're wearing. I saw some chick with Ugg boots and I shot her twice.
Oh, that's cool.
Cause how dare Samantha be basic in the apocalypse?
What the hell is that? See that? Headshots don't work my ass.
I don't know what you're talking about. Headshots work in everything. Like everything.
Yeah, I know. Like, whoever said that headshots don't work.
Holly, you're stupid. Hey, there's a med place down here. If you just want to top yourself
Yeah,
off.
I'm gonna definitely grab that in a sec.
Our bots are over there stuck on the water thing. They're like, somebody poisoned the water hole.
It was me, I'm sorry.
It happens.
Yeah. We all got to poison it on occasion. You know.
We all have those urges.
I see something.
Get to the safe
Shut up, nobody cares what you saw. Easy.
Hey.